Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Milin Sereno Papa. I'm 31 years old. I came from Habunga, Agusan del Norte, Philippines. I'm a single mother, blessed of two kids, ages 11 years old and 7 years old. I'm graduated of 2-year vocational course in information technology. I have experience working as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates for 4 years and 8 months in one employer. My main duties there was took care of 4 years old and 1-year-old boy. I truly enjoy working with them and helping them to learn and grow. I feed them nutritious meals every day, and I also helping them to take a bath and to make sure their safety. I change their clothes, I change their diapers, play with them, and tutoring educational activities like counting numbers, identifying colors and shapes, and reading alphabet letters. I also sing a nursery rhyme and reading a storybook to help their mental development. And aside from taking care of children, I also do a household chores like busy cooking and cleaning, washing, and ironing. To my future employer, if you hire me, I will do my very best to fulfill my duty and responsibility. As your nanny, I am patient, kind, flexible, honest, and trustworthy, and dedicated to my work. If I can also guarantee that the safety of your children is my top priority. Thank you and God bless.